What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your watch history on your TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app. So after opening it, you have to go to your profile. After going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon. After clicking on that, you can see here is a bunch of options. You have to click on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after scrolling, you can see here is an option called activity center. You have to click on it. And then you can see here is the option called watch history. You have to click on watch history. After that, you can see here is the all of videos that I've previously watched on TikTok. This is all the videos. You can simply filter it by last week or yesterday. That if you want to see the what you watched last week, you can see. You have to click on this and you click on apply. Then TikTok will show what you watched on last week. So this is how you can check your watch history on your TikTok app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.